Hey friends, just wanted to show you the current issue with my massager. It used to work just fine, but then a few days ago it ran out of of battery, and so as you can see, I'm trying to press the power button. Seems to be out of juice, right? So what I'm trying to do here, I'm plugging in the power adapter, click, and then the light goes on, but like it still won't work, and no matter how long I keep it on the charger, like it looks like it's not charging, neither it's working. But the power adapter, you can see here, the green light is on, so it looks like this guy is working too. So I would really appreciate if you folks could give some advice as to how to troubleshoot it, or maybe how to fix the issue. Thank you.